Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a health plan with me. We are planning in my health planner, which I am just getting accustomed to using this planner on a daily basis. I cannot lie, I was very neglectful of this planner until I franken-planned it and put it in here because I don't know, I always forgot about it. The main thing though that I am trying to do is kind of stay consistent with every single planner that I have, and I currently have 6. So in order for me to do that, I realized that they all have to be together. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be planning in here. And of course, I pulled out the fitness book, and I also have colorful boxes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the finished spread. Let me walk you through what I have done here. In the top part, I have a couple of quotes along with some stickers to keep me motivated. In the second section here, I usually will keep track of my weight. I have some scales here, but I ran out of them, so I might either put some different ones there or just leave it blank and just jot down my weight. And in the next section, I am putting down my food log, so I will jot down the very first meal that I have and the time that I have it, because we are doing intermittent fasting, and so I like to jot down the time that I will start my eating cycle. And then in the last section here, I will put what type of workout I have done. Like on Monday, we did CrossFit and we did do some strength training. So I do have like the little dumbbell there to kind of remind myself that I did lifting on that day. So this is pretty much how it looks. And at one point, I wasn't even doing quotes at the top. So it's a very functional type spread. And that's mainly how I use this planner. I am trying to get a little bit more decorative with it, but for the most part, I am keeping it very functional so that I am always using it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see more health plan with me and keep up with my progress, and y'all want to know how I'm doing on my weight journey, let me know. I can do a video on it if you are interested, and you can also give this video a thumbs up. So until next time, make sure that you head over and follow me on Instagram at The Organized Money, and I will see you in the next video. Keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.